Suppose if you are using Microsoft Word in your Windows computer and if you want to know the current time, then using a keyboard shortcut method, the simple method is you go to your keyboard and there you can see this is the Alt key, this is the Shift key, and this is the T key. So for time you must remember the T key. So you must press these three keys at the same time. One of your fingers should be in this Alt key, another is in this Shift key, and another is in this T key. So you must press these three keys at the same time. This is after opening this Microsoft Word, you must press this Alt key, Shift key, and another finger should be in this T key. So if you press these three keys at the same time, then you can see that the current time comes here. So what is the current present time? Now it should be arrived in your MS Word. So remember, you must press these three keys at the same time. That is Alt key, Shift key, and T key. So your finger should be in Alt key, Shift key, and T key. These three keys you must press at the same time, and the result will be you can see the current time in MS Word using this keyboard shortcut method. For more details, you can subscribe. Thank you.